What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking. I have an hour and some minutes to get this ready. So we're gonna make a mac and cheese. The best mac and cheese ever. So mac and cheese, it's plain and simple. We're gonna start with a roux base. That's a butter, okay? So I got 4 tablespoons of butter. So 4 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna melt this right on down, okay? I have pot boiling, as you can tell behind me. I'm going to go in with the small shells. These are the preferred shells that I do like. Those are the small ones. And I do a box and a half for this recipe. Okay, so as you can tell here, our butter is starting to melt, right?
Yeah, I saw it melt.
So I'm going to do 4 tablespoons of flour, okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And just start blending that flour right on in. And this is, you're making what's called a roux. It is essentially the thickness. It's going to build your base. So I'm going to go in here with some paprika. And then some red chili flakes. And then I'm going to go in with some Dijon mustard. If you have ground mustard, that will work too. And you will not taste the mustard once you cook this down. So then I have a can of condensed evaporated milk. So we're just going to whisk that in. Break that roux down. And we're going to go with 2 cups. And milk will work just fine. It just takes a little bit more time. Have cream cheese. You can use cream cheese, about 4 ounces. I'm going to be using a block of Velveeta cheese. Just because I used all my cream cheese this morning. But Velveeta will work very good as well. You're also going to need some cheddar and some pepper jack. Pepper jack to me makes some of the best mac and cheese. So we're going to let that melt. Gonna throw some of that black pepper. Now I got some cheddar, because cheddar makes everything better. Now, of course, I like to add pepper jack into mine. Pepper jack, I feel, gives a great taste. And I love pepper jack cheese. The way I've always done mine is I keep my noodles back in there. And then I'm just going to pour my cheese goop right on in. Now I have my oven at 350. That way this can go in the oven until it's time to go. All right, casserole dish. Spray. And then dump. And we can't just dismiss that cheese. So of course we want to cover the top with that cheese. Just like that. And that's just how you make Dad's famous mac and cheese. Into the oven for about 35 minutes. All right, mac and cheese is out of the oven. Dressed for church. The family's dressed for church. We're not going to do a taste test today or right now. But whenever we sit down and do our potluck, I'll film a little something.
So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Are you set?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh,
Not yet.
Are you set?
Yeah.
Go!
Go. Look at both of them baskets. Oh, ladybug.
Ladybug.
So y'all, that's the end of this video. We got tons of eggs we gotta go through with the kids. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one. Happy Easter.